Hindi ako papatol kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan niya. But, pag take tayo. Okay.
Have you experienced working with unprofessional actors?
Hindi naman natin may iwasan, pero nandun yung kung paano mo, ano ba yun? Kung papatulan mo or hindi.
How do you deal with it, no? Parang
Kaya ako parang, wala. In fairness naman sa akin, wala pa ako yung hindi nakasundo na nakatrabaho ko na. Oo.
So the reason why I asked that is because pag sisilipin niyo po kasi yung body of work ni Maha, grabe na yung... She's 23 years in the business. Most
Alam
of
ko,
us...
23 years old.
Hindi naman. Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Most of us here na subaybayan po yung trabaho ni Maha behind the camera. Nakita namin yun on how professional she was through all the projects. That's why you became successful. Kasi kung hindi ka professional, Maha, hindi ka kukunin ulit ngayon.
Thank you po.
Diba? Ganun lang po yun. That's why I asked that. Kasi we don't know who's watching right now. Baka merong mga young aspiring actors na nanonood sa atin ngayon and they want to learn from you. So, I'm sure sana po meron kayong napulot kay Maha. Ang second question ni Jacqueline is, how would you describe your character in Someone Someday and what parts of her journey did you find most challenging to portray without spoiling?
Ang hirap lagi nung without
I'm so sorry.
spoiling.
Nag-disclaimer ako kasi baka madulas ka eh. Parts of her journey that you find most challenging. How about yung
Siguro yung hindi siya kiligin.
kanino?
Secret! Yung sineset aside niya, yung love, because focus siya dun sa plano niya, sa goals niya. Yun. But, pag may dumadating yon, hindi maiwasan. Yung, alam mo yung nagpipigil, pero yung, yun. So, may mga, I think, cute moments din naman si Abby.
Feeling ko pag naka-survive na tayo